Bitcoin is expected to drop 6.1% by March 21, as shown by 30 rates. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the market right now. Bitcoin has posted a loss of 1% over the past day and sits near $70,412.50. Now, let's look at what the analysts expect. The asset could slide to $66,120 by March 21. 30 rates suggests, marking a reduction of 6.1%. Digital Coin Price believes Bitcoin may approach $68,631.64. That's a decrease of about 2.5%. CoinLore points out it could head toward $69,485 on the downside, about 1.3% lower. Another forecast from Cryptonization indicates Bitcoin could approach $71,119.47, an expected rise of about 1%. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions believes the price may hit $74,863.27 by tomorrow, which is 6.3% up. This is the most lucrative forecast among those reviewed. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. After going through all 5 forecasts, here's the numeric view. The forecast range now stands between a decline of 6.1% and an increase of 6.3%. Looking at the numbers, Crypto Predictions comes out on top with 6.3% boost in value by March 21. To sum it up, you could net between $10 and $63 for every $1,000 you invest. From the volatility analysis, Cryptonization's forecast comes out on top with an 84.8% chance of success. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. The forecasts together outline Bitcoin at about $70,043.88. Okay, let's open it up. Consensus figures point to a 0.5% reduction in price. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 0.5%. On 1,000, this could line up with a possible $5 increase. The consensus scenario holds a likelihood of about 87.7% of taking shape. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. 30 rates expects Bitcoin to decline steadily. Also, Digital Coin Price sees Bitcoin trending lower. Additionally, CoinLore highlights building pressure to the downside. Cryptonization notes that Bitcoin appears set to push higher. Similarly, Crypto Predictions suggest the short-term path is upward. Overall, the consensus shows Bitcoin staying broadly unchanged across the 3-day period. Overall, 60% of forecasts highlight a lower path for Bitcoin. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Today we review their accuracy. In the end, the price reached $69,923.30. Yesterday's result showed that most analysts were right about the move. The highest accuracy outlook was delivered by Crypto Predictions. Time to unpack the outcome. Only one prediction matched the limits of yesterday's move. Speaking of ROI, some forecasts ended with gains, and Crypto Predictions had the strongest result. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. As for Cryptonization, the data shows minus 6.1% ROI and $4,648.48 accuracy. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Let's see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow compare among Bitcoin and a few other cryptocurrencies. In this comparison, Litecoin comes first with 1.8%, ahead of Bitcoin. For now, we're comparing Bitcoin with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison and analyst statistics will soon be available on my website and Telegram. If I helped make your research easier today, please like the video before you head out. See you in the next update.